Okay, so in preparation for our class tomorrow, I wanted to talk about transformations and the different kinds of transformations that we have. So let's go ahead and look at something here. So let's make a triangle. Okay, and now that I have a triangle, I also want to make a line. Let me make a segment. In there and there. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do a translation of that triangle. And I want to take it and I want to translate it to the right, say 4 units. So we'll go from there to there. And we've just slid our triangle to the right. I can also translate it down. Okay. Now, in addition to translations, we can do a rotation. So I'm going to rotate around that point 90 degrees, and I've just rotated that triangle. Another one is a reflection. So I'm going to flip it, reflect it across another line. I'm going to choose the line that I made and this triangle that I had already translated, and I'm going to reflect it or reflip it across the line. These are all what are called rigid transformations. In other words, it doesn't change the shape of the or size of the object at all. Okay, so now the next transformation that I want to do, let me do a different shape. So let me do a better job with the point. Let's do a trapezoid. Okay, and this one, rather than move it, I want to make it bigger or dilate it. Okay, so I'm going to dilate this one. I'm going to center it on the bottom right. I'm going to dilate it by a factor of 2. And I've just made all the sides bigger by 2 times. Okay, so like the top on the original one was 1 square wide, 1 big square wide. Now the top on the new one is 2 big squares wide. On the bottom it was 3, now it's 6. Okay, so it just makes everything bigger. This angle stays the same, but we've just dilated the shape. And you can also dilate by making it smaller. Okay, so that really is all that I wanted to go over, and we can be set up for working on some shapes in class. And I'll see you then.